everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So first of all, my friends, a very happy Makar Sankranti to all my lovely viewers, my subscribers, my family and my friends. Today is a very special day and we Bengalis love to celebrate this day with lots of different types of Bengali sweets. This special kind of Bengali sweets we call by pithe-puli. Pithe-puli is very precious to us, and today I thought of in this special day, let's share two wonderful Bengali sweets recipe with all of you. So first of all, I am going to make DUDH-PULI and second I am going to make patisapta. Those who are my Bengali subscribers, they must know what this means to us, but I am sure my non-Bengali subscribers, they are also going to love these sweets recipes. And before starting today's cooking session, quickly I want to take a beautiful name of a very sweet girl. She is also Bengali girl, my Bengali subscriber, and she requested me in my last vlog to take her name in my next vlog, and her name is Shushmita Roy. It's a very pretty name and I am so happy that you requested me that. It really touched me. Love you so much, my beautiful little sister. I hope you are doing great and I hope you are having a wonderful time in this poush Sankranti. So খুব ভালো থাকো তুমি, জীবনে অনেক এগিয়ে যাও, অনেক ভালোবাসা আসুক, অনেক স্বপ্ন সফল হোক তোমার, অনেক শুভকামনা রইল তোমার জীবনের জন্য. So my other subscribers who also make me really happy with their lovely comments, very soon I'm going to read their comment as well. I'm going to take their name. So now let's go to the kitchen and start making today's wonderful two Bengali recipes. And here you can see I have organized all the ingredients that I need to make today's two Bengali recipes. First of all, I'll make DUDH-PULI and then patisapta. So here you can see rice flour and then jaggery, which is a very important ingredients, and then sugar. Here is jaggery juice. I made it with a little bit of warm water. And here is maida, all-purpose flour. Here is coconut. And then there is semolina, that is suji. And here is milk. So these are the ingredients that I need to make DUDH-PULI and patisapta. So now let's start. To make DUDH-PULI, we have to make the dough first. And here you can see I'm adding rice flour into this warm water. I'm warming 2 cups of water in this pan, and then I'm mixing this rice flour with the warm water really very well to make a very soft and subtle dough. Here I have transferred my dough into this steel dish because it will be helpful for me to make a neat dough. And now, like any other dough, we have to do it with a lot of patience. We have to make a soft dough. Now in the second step, I'll make a very delicious stuffing for both the preparation, DUDH-PULI and patisapta. And I'll make this stuffing with just coconut and jaggery. Here you can see I am adding coconut into this pan. And before that I have added just a little amount of ghee on the pan. Now I am mixing it well. Time to add the jaggery into the coconut. And I'm keeping this jaggery for later use. And now I'm mixing all the ingredients, jaggery, coconut, everything really well. Here at this point, I'm adding jaggery juice into this mixture. Basically, it's a jaggery syrup, you can say. I have taken just 3 cubes of jaggery. Then I added 1 cup of water. And then I warm it for 40 seconds. And that's it. and I always love to add little bit of milk maid into this mixture, so I'm adding it. And finally I'm adding maida and water mix into this jaggery coconut mixture, because this water will work as a good binder. After adding all the ingredients and after mixing everything so well, now you can see my stuffing is almost ready, almost done. Here is my stuffing, which is absolutely ready, and also my dough. So now I am all set to start making the puli for DUDH-PULI. Here I am all set to start making the pulis. I have organized everything on my kitchen countertop, and also I have rubbed little bit amount of oil in my hand, and now I am trying to give a good shape to this shell part. With the help of my hand I am pressing it softly, and then I am gonna put some stuffing into it, and then I'll seal it properly. It always reminds me my childhood day, my friends. I remember every single year I used to help my mom. Even though in the last year also I made lot of pulis with my mommy. And now I am sealing it properly. We call it Chandra puli. You can just seal it like that. And here I am just giving it a little bit good look. I am just making a little design on that. But you can just seal it like that. Now look at my friends who is here in the kitchen. Bikram came and Bikram wants to make 2-3 pulis with me. So he told me that he wants to make the very first puli in his life. So this is that one. So my friends, please comment down below how you liked his puli. Please comment. Now here is the third and final step of making DUDH-PULI. You can see I am pouring some milk in this pan, because now I am about to make a very delicious kheer, and then I'll start adding the pulis in this kheer. I am adding 4 pieces of cardamom here in this milk, and I don't have cardamom powder. If you have, you can use that. Here I am stirring my milk continuously so that it doesn't get burned from the bottom part, and also my gas oven is on low flame. Here one tricks I want to share with you all, my friends. Whenever you are using a jaggery into any kind of rice kheer or any normal kheer or this preparation, you always have to take out little bit amount of milk, and you have to mix it with the jaggery, and then at the very last of your cooking you will add this jaggery mixture into your dish. See, my milk quantity has reduced in half. So now this is the perfect consistency. This is the perfect time to add pulis into the milk. Be very careful, my friends, because milk is really hot. Here I am adding little bit milk maid into my milk puli mixture, and then again I will stir it properly. As I told you, at the very last part of your cooking, you have to add this jaggery in your dish. So here I am doing it. I already have added some milk in this jaggery. So now I am adding everything into this milk puli mixture, and then I'll mix it. Now look at this perfect consistency, my friends. This is how your DUDH-PULI should look like. It's absolutely gorgeous and perfect. And now this is the final look of my favorite DUDH-PULI. We all Bengalis love to have it. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I have transferred it into this big serving bowl and it looks super delicious. Now after making DUDH-PULI, now it's time to make another very popular Bengali pithe, Bengali sweet, that is patisapta. Here you can see, to make that, in this mixing bowl, I am adding 1 cup of rice flour, and then I am adding half cup of semolina, that is suji, and then I am adding half cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. And now I am going to mix it well. The consistency should be like this. Here you can see it's little thinner than malpua, but not too much thin. This is the perfect one. Now here in this non-stick pan, I brushed little bit amount of oil, just a little amount of oil. You can use ghee too, but today I have used just regular white oil. And then I'm going to make a good crepe. Just be very careful. And now I'm putting some amount of stuffing into it, the same stuffing that we used for DUDH-PULI. And after folding it properly, it looks like that. And this is absolutely perfect shape of patisapta. Now in the same way, I am making all the patisaptas here. This is actually very easy to make, my friends. If you have any stuffing ready, then you can make it within just no time. Even though if you don't have rice flour in your house, with regular maida or suji, you can make the batter and then you can just have it like that. And here is my absolutely gorgeous looking patisapta platter, which is looking super delicious and tempting. I have organized everything like this way, and look at this. It's looking really delicious. And here is some milk maid. If you want, you can add little bit milk maid on top, and that's it. So my friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's vlog, and it was really special to share these two beautiful delicious Bengali recipes with all of you, my lovely viewers and subscribers. Here is DUDH-PULI and here is patisapta. Please try it in your home who have not yet tried it, and please let me know how you like today's recipe. And also once again, happy Makar Sankranti, happy poush Sankranti to all my lovely viewers. Thank you so much for watching it today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog. So tata, love you.